My name is Betül. I'm the founder of Erptoren. We are providing SAP ERP system solutions, which is SAP, and we are the training company in the UK. We try to help people with the placement as well after they complete their internship program with us successfully. But as I see here, there are so many students today, and I really wanted to talk about you more than my company, because you can come over and get one of the brochure, and you can check my website, my LinkedIn profile, and everything, and you can get all the ideas. But it's my first chance and last chance to get to know you a little bit more, and I want to just check how many people are here coming from abroad to study. Like, I think nearly all of them, right, 90%. And I am actually having exactly the same situation that you're having right now in the past. I'm a young entrepreneur, and it's been difficult times for me to come this level. And I was graduated in Turkey and come to the UK and graduated from bioengineering. It's not even IT. And did a career change because of the opportunities in the UK, and come here and study a lot and work part-time, and I just set up the company. I don't know what I'm gonna do, and it was about biotechnology. And then I found out, okay, IT is good and SAP is good, and just try, and by time everything is changed slowly. There is no quick success, I could say, but why I'm making this speech, I think first of all, we are happy to hire you. I wish we can do for all of you, but it is difficult. I just want you to just tell you to follow your dreams. You can maybe be the great entrepreneur as well, or you can do your own things, and just have that encouragement to try new things, and you don't need anyone unless you want. So just be brave and just show up every day, do whatever you want, and if you're interested in IT or career change, so we are here to help you. That's all. I think it's your day today, and just let's come and just